Now let's learn how we can identify our license status, right? Very simple. Just go to the configuration settings, right? The system configuration. And here from version 1.27, this information here will be displayed, right? Here you have the installation ID, right? This is the number that generated by your computer. The registration ID, which is the number that we sent you, right? And the license status, if it's valid or expired, and if it's valid, when is going to expire, right? So this way you know the exact date that has to be renewed, right? That's all for this video. See you in the next. Thank you.